In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Proton VPN app. So if you want to get the latest version of Proton VPN, the only thing you need to do is to go ahead and update it. By updating your Proton VPN app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix bugs as well as security issues with your VPN application. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, to update your Proton VPN, you'll need to go ahead and access the VPN app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android smartphone and therefore I'll go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store. So I'll tap on Play Store here and then just type in Proton VPN. And here you can see the app is here. Now, if you check, you can see we have an app, which means I've been using an outdated version of Proton VPN app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Proton VPN and then install it on my smartphone. And now once it's done, I'll have the latest features that comes with this app, and now I can open it. So that's how you can get the latest version of Proton VPN app and fix any potential problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.